You remember that first day of school when you walk through the door? You've got a brand new backpack, new pencil case inside with pencils, perhaps new glue, new scissors, and you feel so proud that you've got everything you needed. My mom used to cover our books with what we would call Christmas paper, or sometimes she would use brown butcher paper. But it didn't matter, it just felt so neat and clean. And afterwards she would cover it with plastic. That first week of school you would go ready to work. And it wouldn't last forever. After some time it would get scratched or get lost or broken. But my parents always found a way, even though we are 4 boys, they always found a way to give us everything we needed for that first day of school. Flash forward 15 years. I'm working at a primary school with many disadvantaged students. During the first week, we're doing a writing activity, and I see a girl sitting there not doing anything. So I walk over. Imagine me, this giant teacher, standing above this tiny girl. So I crouch down to get eye level. You don't want to scare your students, so it's good to get down on the same level as them. So I ask her, "Why aren't you working?" She says, "Sir, I don't have a pencil." So I said, "Where's your pencil?" She looks down and she says, "Not here, sir." Being a new teacher, I just assumed that all the students would have their stationery. I mean, it's the first day of school. They didn't have a chance to throw it away yet. Me being inexperienced, the thought never crossed my mind that maybe she didn't have it. Had I been in the same situation today, I would have handled it much differently. I would have made sure that all the students had pencils before we started with the activity. But I didn't want to become the school's stationery supply. So I asked the rest of the class, does anybody have a pencil for her? And nobody raises their hand. Looking down, I could see this girl just so sad and dejected. So I say, wait, I forgot. I've got a pencil on my desk. I'll quickly go and get it. I go get the pencil, come back, and I give it to her. After that day, I vowed to have extra supplies in my class for students that might need it. Most teachers feel the same. They want their students to have everything they need to have a successful life at school. It's been estimated that on average, teachers spend $500 every year on school supplies for their students. Recently, a new hashtag came out that caught my eye called Clearthelist. Basically, teachers make a wish list on Amazon and they ask donors to buy those items for them. And we're trying to clear the list and support the teachers by buying them everything they need. It's a great charity and a great idea that supports our teachers and helps teachers get the stationery and the supplies they need for their students. This movement was created by a Texan teacher called Courtney Jones. She created a Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter handle where people can post their lists and then donors can come and buy them whatever they need. Even celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Jeffree Star, and Casey Donahue have supported this campaign. We should all put in effort to support this cause. However, if you are a teacher, do not take on this burden alone. Ask for support. Ask your parents for help. Send out a wish list to your class. Ask the school governing body for help. Don't go out and buy everything on your own. You are not a social worker, although teaching also requires us to be like social workers. You care about your students and you want the best for them, but you should also try and do it in a way that doesn't mean that you need to use your own hard-earned money. I mean, teachers work very hard and in most cases we don't get paid very well. So don't use your own money to support the kids. Reach out to people that can help you. One of my fondest memories is that I had an English class and many of the parents donated books to the class library where kids could share and read the books. There are many moms and dads that want to help out in the class and just go to them and Talk with them, communicate. What do you need? What would make this class better? Also look towards some students that might not have things that we can get some support for them too. So don't take on this burden on your own. Reach out for support, just like these teachers are doing with the Clear the List campaign. And if you are not a teacher, please support this campaign. I've linked the Facebook, the Instagram, and the Twitter handle. Go there, find out what the teachers need, and donate. Remember, this is really valuable. Kids in class are going to see what kindness can do. They're going to see what charity is, and they will take it and remember it for the rest of their lives. I've also linked down Miss Jones's video on YouTube where she shows teachers how to create a wish list on Amazon. It makes me so proud to see all these teachers working together for a worthy cause. So everyone, thank you for watching this video, and please support the teachers out there.